Hello, today's hack is so interesting. I'm in New York for a week, and yesterday was marvelous. It's like 20 degrees Celsius. Oh, so perfect. But today it's 4, and 4 is cold. The clothes I brought are perfect to wear cycling or walking, but there's one part that I couldn't make it right. I didn't find the right glove yet. So the wind that blows here, it gets very cold. Well, I could buy those big gloves, that you put here and everything. They're marvelous. But I live in Rio de Janeiro. I'm never gonna use it again unless I come back in the winter. So I saw a hack yesterday, and I'm gonna try it today, and I'm gonna share it with you because I thought it was so interesting. The thing is, here in our hands gets lots of wind. So the hard part is to block the wind. Do you know what the guy did? He got a... Basically, the idea is to get this here, and my hands will fit inside of the Ziploc. The goal is to put it here, and I'll come with my hands in here, and the wind would be stopped here, so my hands won't be that cold. And even if I do need it, I can close it here with no problem, So I think I have to cut it. Let me think about it. Maybe here. Let's get a scissor. So let's make a cut here. And my traveling scissors don't work so well, but that's what I got. Okay, now we go in here. Yes, because my hand had to be inside, Okay, that's it. Basically it. And my hand will be here. It could be a smaller one though. What I do is put it over here. Okay, that's it. Very simple hack. Let's see if it works. I got 10.5 inches, but I think it can be a bit smaller, Try it. see what works for you. Let's try in the road. I just got out of the hotel, and I'll tell you, it's fantastic. I have only one glove, and my hands are hot. It's amazing. I love this hack. Fabulous. I tell you, this is the best hack I ever used. I always have a lot of problems with the hands. Here we are in a beautiful sunny day in Central Park with, wow, 3.4 Celsius, and I'm feeling marvelous because of this hack. It's amazing. In a beautiful sunny day in Central Park. Check it out. And amazingly, my hands are warm. I have only one merino wool glove, but because of the plastic, the Ziploc, it protects it and makes a pocket, a warm pocket, so it's almost sweaty inside. Okay, I'm sneezing. It's not sweating, but it's perfect. I love it. I love to discover those hacks because they help us so much. So let me show you more.
That even if I'm pushing my bike, I put my hands inside it